So you can see here that I got an organization chart, and over here this is my shape. So what I want to do is I want to synchronize this shape. So I'm going to synchronize, and I'm going to select new page right here and hide subordinate on original page. Once I do that, on page 5 it actually appears, and this is the shape actually that we synchronize. So I'm going to go over here, and over here I'm going to add in an assistant notch right here on name, and I'm going to go back. But if I were to go here and show hide the subordinate, you only get 2. So you want it to update it with however I updated it in page 5. I'm going to go back over here, and instead of just selecting the show and hide subordinate, I'm going to go into synchronize and click on synchronize subordinate right here. So it'll show up all the updates I made in the other shapes right here. So that is how you can synchronize additional subordinates inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.